Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Financial Pathshala. As you all know, almost all of us are going through a big crisis these days, and this is all due to COVID 19. So, in order to give some extra financial help, our nationalized banks are providing different kinds of loan to their customers these days. In this video, we will talk about personal loan given by Bank of India. I have already uploaded a video on the same topic which was in Hindi. If you want to watch it in Hindi, I will provide the link in the description box below. You can check out there. So without any further delay, let's start the video. In this video, we will discuss some important points like eligibility of the loan, purpose of the loan, maximum tenure for which loan should be given, maximum amount of the loan given, and the rate of interest. So let's start with the first point, which is eligibility. The person who is existing home loan borrower and is maintaining his account in a proper manner is eligible for the application of this loan. He should be a salary account holder for more than 1 year in Bank of India. Also, existing personal loan borrowers, they may be either salaried or self-employed, both are eligible. Next to discuss is purpose of the loan. This loan can be taken for any bona fide reason. For example, you can take this loan for marriage purpose or for some medical reason or any sort of education, or you can also take this loan for repayment of higher cost loan. Next, we are to discuss about loan amount. How much loan is given? Maximum amount, how much it is given by Bank of India. For salaried and for business class, the maximum loan amount is which is given is 3 times of the monthly salary, and maximum limit in both the cases is 5 lakh rupees. One more thing which is very important to discuss with you all is NTHP. Now, what does this NTHP mean? It means net take home pay. The eligible person who is having a minimum 25% of NTHP is eligible for this loan. Now let's calculate by taking a simple example. Suppose your monthly income is rupees 100. From these 100 rupees, you give 20 rupees as statutory deductions, 18 rupees as taxes, 10 rupees as other deductions, and 14 rupees as these proposed EMIs. After reducing all these deductions, the amount left with you is 38 rupees. Now this 38 rupees is your NTHP. That means 38 rupees is your net take home pay. And it is more than 25%. So you are eligible for this loan. Now main points which are to be remembered while giving application of this loan are: first thing, very important thing, your CIBIL must be satisfactory up till February 2020. And the next important thing is last date of submission of application is 30th June 2020. After this, you are not able to give application for this loan. And the present rate of interest on this loan is 7.25%. You are not supposed to give any processing charges for the application of this loan. And the maximum term for which this loan is given is 36 months. That's all for today. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you. Have a great day.